So how did you start shipping with us?
A friend of mine in Charlotte, North Carolina, I was looking for a shipping company, and she introduced me to Kevin.
Oh.
And this is where my journey started.
Okay, so I shouldn't bother to ask why.
No.
Just because of friendship.
No, good service.
Oh.
The best customer service ever.
You've been in restaurant business before now?
Yeah, for about 8 years.
Okay. And where's that?
Charlotte, North Carolina.
Oh, that's where you live in?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, good, good. So why Jamaica? Why Ocho Rios? Why Ocho Rios though?
It's a tourist area, it's a tourist attraction.
Oh, so you're really setting to attract tourists?
Yeah.
So do you have like a social media handle or something?
Instagram and Facebook.
What's the Instagram handle?
Island Cuisine, Ocho Rios Limited, for the Jamaica location.
Okay.
For Charlotte, it's Island Cuisine, Charlotte.
So there you have it, Island Cuisine. They're doing another location in Ocho Rios, Jamaica. And I can guarantee you it's going to be as fabulous as the first one. This is one of our faithful customers, and
yes,
we have as you can see, a truckload of items for her.
Yes.
So we are prepared and willing to ship from an anchor to a pin. We prefer the anchors, right?
That's right.
We love the anchors. Come through, man. Come through, Benz, man. That Benz man working hard. That's going to help him. Benz man. You don't feel pressured yet?
No, man.
You want me help now?
No, man. I'm good.
You're good, you're sure? Yeah. You hurt yourself in a Benz, man.
Come, Saki, come help us. Saki, come and help us with the small items. Oh, you ship it. Some of your stuff is yours. Dave, some of your stuff is yours. If you look for what, it's for anything from eBay is yours. So you want to take a look? If it doesn't say web restaurant, it's yours.
Alright, you talk about it.
This is for. Hold on. This one is for. Ochi. Put this aside for this. Yeah. That goes down.